nothing but time. Motto of the Baltimore Grotto of Human Society. Good morning, Vicky, Universitaria, teachers, and classmates. We gather today to commemorate International Day of the Earth. We may live in different houses, but we all share a common space which is considered to be the entire humanity's home. We're talking about Earth, the only place in the universe where human life is possible. It is true that we're all moving towards seeking planets from neighboring solar systems and galaxies. But for now, the blue planet is the only planetary body in the universe that can sustain human life. It was between the late 18th century and early 19th century that the Industrial Revolution boomed and flourished throughout developing countries across the globe. Not only did it bring economic change to the scene, but environmental changes as well. More air, water, and land pollutants were introduced to nature. Natural resources started to be abused and depleted during this period, which ultimately resulted in the degradation of the environment in astronomical levels. We've all been living on Earth since day one, but how much do you really know about the Earth? We're all caught up by the bustle and hustle of modern day life that we forget to take the time to truly appreciate our home planet. What can we do about it? It all starts with education. It is for understanding of the interesting facts about Earth's remarkable qualities that we can encourage conservation and help us enjoy its wonders for the generations to come. Now our classmates will share with us some interesting facts about the Earth.
Pollution is one of the biggest global killers. That's comparable to global diseases like malaria and HIV. People who live in places with high levels of air pollutants have a 20% higher risk of death from lung cancer than people who live in less polluted areas.
Over 1 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water. 5,000 people die each day due to dirty drinking water. The Mississippi River carries an estimated 1.5 million metric tons of nitrogen polluted into the Gulf of Mexico each year, creating a dead zone each summer about the size of New Jersey.
Americans make up an estimated 5% of the world's population. Recycling and composting prevented 85 million tons of material waste.
The smoke is the principal cause of the pollution of the air. The smoke can affect cities, and in smoke-polluted cities, it is a more 20% probability for a person to die by lung cancer than in a less polluted smoke city.
To reduce air pollution, we can use less in the car in the city and use more the bicycles in all the cities.
Deserts are rising and taking over the land. They can be rebuilt by developing tree planting projects, having better agriculture, and managing the land better.
The Earth has been around for 4.6 billion years. Scaling this time down to 46 years, we have been around for 4 days, and our Industrial Revolution began just 1 minute ago. During this short time period, we have been the cause of extinction of an unthinkable amount of plants and animals, and multiply our population to that of a plague.
Despite all the damage we have caused to the environment, most of it is still reversible. We can restore habitats, return species into them, clean rivers, renovate buildings, replenish topsoil, replant forests. But these activities do not relieve the worst part of the damage.
Every year, approximately 4 billion tons of carbon accumulates in the earth. About 30% of these comes directly from the burning of the rainforest.
My biology project consists primarily in collecting a huge amount of plastic bottles, which then to thoroughly and a comfortable seat with them.